Hello, welcome back. Just a quick one for you. Well, I start off meaning for them to be quick. Yeah, the beard's a bit short. I want to show you this because when I'm pressing and making my briquettes, so these are the briquettes that I make out of sawdust and coffee grounds. And when I'm putting them in the press, let me show you. I've got the mix here. So that's what it's like after a couple of months. Probably it isn't really a couple of months, probably 5 weeks or so. I put the mix in there, I squeeze it out, and out comes a liquid. Now, I'm not squeezing the life out of this. Don't get confused thinking you need to squeeze all the liquid out. Squeeze a certain amount of the liquid out just to get it to compress, but then stop. This is different to just doing briquettes that are the mixture's only been in there a few days. This is composted. So this is compost now, and what comes out of there is liquid gold. Right, what I want to show you is, I did 10 the other day. Let me go back to these. I did these 10. About 5 days ago. They're drying really quick. They're doing great. Quite a bit of coffee in this one. I can't remember what batch it is. I think it's 28. And as I'm squeezing the press, I'm capturing some of the liquid on the floor. So I'm capturing the liquid on the floor, and I've left it for a number of days, and it's now turned into this sort of hard jelly-like thing. So what is going on? I don't know. I feel like I'm decorating a cake a little bit. But anyhow, the idea is I'm going to put this all on one side of a briquette. So this is the oils, this is the liquid. This will dry down. It looks like a brownie, doesn't it? It looks like a chocolate brownie, look at it. This will dry down and form some sort of crust, I think. When it does that, when it's totally dry and I need to use my log burner again, I'll burn that one as a one-off and we'll see what it does. Don't forget, I've got some down here, right down here, that are made out of horse manure. That one's 100% horse manure, that one's 75%, this one's 50%, and that one's about 25% horse manure mixed with this mix here. So I do mix the two. I am trialing different things. I am keeping on top. Watch my other videos. There's about 33 videos now, I think, maybe 34, on briquettes, making and burning. This is free fuel, it's my sawdust, it's vacuum cleaner shavings. This is the best time of the year now. Right now, YouTube, you know it too, this is the best time of year to be making briquettes because they dry quick, they compost quick. This process is so quick. In 4 weeks, I can make briquettes. In another 2 or 3 weeks, they're dry, I can start burning them. But no, you build it all up so that you make hay while the sun shines. The sun is shining. So enjoy briquettes, enjoy making them, enjoy the process. It's basically compost. We can burn our compost and have fuel for the winter. It's got to be the way forward. It has to be. We have to think about our waste. Saves landfill. We have to think of what we're burning. This is like burning peat, but there's no smoke off it. There is no smoke off it. Burns 30% hotter because it's got coffee. Coffee grounds burn 30% hotter than wood. Now is the right time to be making briquettes. So watch the other videos in a playlist, briquettes, make and burn. Follow me, subscribe, like, share, comment, please. It makes such a difference. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.